and welcome to Noosa. We are 190 kilometers north of Brisbane, further up north, and just checked in to the Noosa International Resort, and this is where we are staying for a few days. And right now start with swimming. Okay, since there is a sauna, so we're going to check that one out. You've been in the sauna before?
Yes.
Where?
I don't remember, but I did. Where's the sauna? Oh.
Only 33 degrees in there, apparently.
What? That's hot.
Inside.
It feels warm.
Oh.
The table's not hot. It smells weird.
Yeah, sit down. What here is.
What's that? Oh.
Then we wait for the effects.
What do you do?
What are we doing? We're just sitting here and waiting until we sweat.
I don't want to sweat. I'm already wet. Oh, now I feel hot. I don't like this anymore.
Now you have to wait.
It smells
Another 10 minutes and we go.
10 minutes?
Yeah, and then you jump into the calm pool.
Can you
Voila! Top shelf. It's way better.
You're sweating.
Oh yeah. How's that feel? Well, right there. I don't think we could imagine anything better than this. It is day 2 today at Noosa Heads, and we are going to do the coastal trek in Noosa National Park, which is a nice walk, and see if we can do some drone footage as well. So here's a little map, that's where we are, and then walking all the way on the coast. Try to do Hell's Gates, if it's not then maybe just a little bit behind. So behind me is the boiling pot. Look at it. And down there are the rocks that actually called the boiling pot. So we continue our walk. This place is amazing. have reached T3 Bay, which is a small beach. People can swim around here and surfing, a lot of surfers too. So we're slowly but surely making through this track. It is a bit warm here, but we are determined to finish it. We actually didn't make it to Hell's Gate, look at, because it is not for young children to walk this much, especially in this heat. It's around close to 30 degrees. I just catch that free bus down here to Noosa main beach, and I wanted to see this place because this is a main beach of Noosa Heads, and see what this looks like. It's only just a short walk from the bus stop. So this is Noosa's main beach, and it's a gorgeous sunset. The sun is going down, but the water is still beautiful. It's the middle of summer here in Australia, guys, and you can't beat that. And here we are on Noosa Drive. That's where Noosa start to come alive here. It's night time, 7 o'clock. Going to get a takeaway food, something, and then that's it for tonight. Let's start the day with a little bit of swim, and it's very easy when you're staying in a resort where the swimming pool is only just a few steps away, and it opens at 7 a.m. One more short visit at Noosa Beach. There's a lot more people here on the next morning, and a lot of people exercising here and swimming. We are now at very busy Hastings Street. It's early in the morning, but not that early, 9:30, and it's already full. All the coffee shops, restaurants, everything very busy. finally I got my coffee before we are going back to Brisbane after a few wonderful days up here in the Sunshine Coast of Australia. We have enjoyed some outdoor jacuzzi, some swimming, the beach, some walking, and an excellent time. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one somewhere in Australia. Cheers.